So Jared has to finish 2 packages of this to get a ride in the Lamborghini to any car show of his choice.
Dude, I need water to wash this down.
No. Right there. Fuck that shit. Before you start, what's the challenge?
Durian challenge.
Are you sure?
I think that's how you say it.
So Jared has to finish 2 packages of this to get a ride in the Lamborghini to any car show of his choice. That's the agreement.
Just slide the middle. I would leave that juice in that. Leave the juice in that.
You do realize your sperm count's gonna be like really low. It's gonna be low after this.
Yeah, make him drink the juice.
Oh, cocktail.
What the fuck?
That may be the straw that breaks the camel's back. That's true.
So hold on.
Are you sure about this, bro?
You're ready, man. You can do this.
Just a room full of hyenas. This is what this looks like right now.
Jared, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
So how do you think you're gonna do with this?
I'm gonna eat it all.
You're gonna eat it all.
Yeah.
You have a method?
Let's do it.
I'm just gonna go right in.
Man.
You can't throw it over your shoulder. Window's
Oh
closed.
shit. Oh shit.
Like rubbery.
Get that face.
Oh.
No problem. No problem, man. No problem.
For 4 days.
It's pretty good.
Huh. Questions? Questions, right? Concerns now?
I don't like the texture.
Of course not.
Oh, you don't? That's surprising.
I don't mind it.
Yeah, ass has a weird texture to it.
I have a feeling my breath's not gonna be smelling that good after.
Bro, you should be in the service.
No problem, man. He's
You have a career in the military. Questions?
It's a seed.
seed.
No, that's gotta go down the gullet.
No.
Seeds are good.
Let him out of the seats. I think it's okay.
You know what? You win this round.
Dude, I need water to wash this down.
No. Right there. You got that, bro.
It's like hard pieces inside. I don't want to swallow a seed though.
Because it's disgusting?
This is like eating raw eggs.
Oh, okay.
He's using hard-boiled eggs.
Well, I know somebody who doesn't cook eggs very well, and I didn't want to insult their cooking, so I just ate the eggs anyways.
Because this one time at band camp,
Whoever you are.
You know who. Put that back in your mouth. We're not paying.
I'd
for
move
nothing.
away. I'd
Oh,
probably
shit.
move away.
Oh crap. It's not gonna smell any different. It'll be the same. Yeah, there it is. There it is.
You know what? I'm gonna come back to that one after.
No.
I'm gonna eat the one that's like somewhat
Go for the follow. Smart move.
Here we are,
Go for the more
watching,
solid
The more I spread it apart, the worse it is.
watching the demise of a young man slowly,
Ravioli, just like in
spiraling
ravioli, man.
towards insanity.
Just like ravioli.
What was that sound?
I actually heard a dolphin make that sound once.
I thought so because this one time at band camp,
Focus on anything except for puking.
Whew. If I had to eat this for the rest of my life, I think I'd just rather starve.
Nah, you're good.
You only gotta eat it once, though. You're cool. You only gotta eat it once.
Hey, we have faith in you.
Once for the rest of your life.
Don't let Bruce down.
Right.
He has.
I'm on camera with my hand raised.
Seriously.
Lambo to Dream Ride.
I mean, Bruce won't let you in his Ferrari, but.
Yeah,
But-
finish.
Dream Ride.
stringy.
I'll add that to the mix if he finishes.
Oh wow, that's brave. That's bold.
If you're right.
You got this.
You got the chair.
McDonald's only.
We did donuts in that.
I know.
Bruce is wild. He does donuts and everything.
That's a big bite right there.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Wow, there it is.
And he got it.
There
You want to
it
chase
is.
it down with the Durian fruit juice?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you walk.
There it is. There it is. What?
It actually tastes very good.
No, I wouldn't think it. Yeah. Dude, no.
Somebody needs to refill this.
Refill.
You got this, bro. Hey, take a breath. Take a breath.
You're good,
Oh,
man.
it's
You're
bad,
good.
right?
Alright, so how is it?
Dude, this tastes like ass.
Can I have all the sound bites
There
of
it
this
is.
book? It's different.
There it is. There it is, bro.
Close the eyes. Mashed potatoes. Mashed
There it is,
potatoes.
bro.
In big chunks. Don't chew.
There it is, bro.
Minimize chewing.
Wait till they grab the juice instead of the water to swallow it. Who forgets that it's the juice?
Yeah, don't swish it around. Just try and get that water and swallow it.
Do you need somebody to mother
That's a
bird it to
little
you?
big.
Airplane.
Yeah, definitely. Civilize it with a fork and knife.
What is this?
AIDS.
A vein.
Do I think this part is kind of hard?
He's eating it.
It's a fruit, how bad can it be? It's fruit. No one started that.
Got this, bro.
I'm gonna try and take it down with this.
We're just all used to it now.
There you go. Wash it.
You're gonna get home and your wife's gonna
Let's just get a little bit of this off.
Definitely. Wash the shit down with diarrhea. That's the method.
I remember when I first started Instagram.
Gotcha, bro.
When I first started Instagram.
This one time?
No, don't.
Okay, I'm not doing that.
You got this, bro.
That's not really water.
Tequila,
Yeah,
tequila.
that's water. Not vodka.
Just gotta wash it down.
That's right, man. No, there's no time limit. Sort of.
Until that leaks off the table.
You're gonna drink that, right?
Does he have to lick that off the table?
Straw.
Where's the paper towel?
It's like, I want you to eat that
Ready for
and look up
plastic.
at me like a dragon. Look back at me like a dragon.
It tastes worse than it smells.
It'll come right back up. 2 gallons will come up.
This probably
good,
is
bro?
not helping.
No.
I don't know.
Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted. Stay motivated on the go, bro. Stay motivated on the go.
2,000 years later.
In the barrel.
Get in the barrel.
Not on the sneakers. Not on the sneakers, bro. You are all that is man. If I can do it, you can do it, bro.
Are we getting an aftermath video?
Chug it, chug.
I don't think, you know what? Funeral videos don't do too well on YouTube.
Beast mode! Yeah.
Do it, bro. Do it, bro.
Yeah, but don't get real Durian. Get tight in there. Get tight. Don't.
There it is. Yeah. Suck it.
Finish that. You got it.
Demonetized, bro.
Just think,
Come on, do it. Do it or don't do it.
You got it.
Throw in the
You got
towel
that,
or
bro.
eat the whole thing.
You got that, bro.
We're gonna be
You
here
got
till
that,
10
bro.
o'clock.
Motivational coach.
No.
I love Dominus.
You're just gonna puke it out. Can't.
Every time you
I just threw up. I don't know how a fruit is trying to defeat me like this.
It's down.
That's a ton of.
It's down.
Oh yeah!
15. You got 15, bro. Oh! Yeah, it's done, bro. You're done.
You're done.
You lost, bro.
And the loss was
Egg.
that was rough.
Leave a fruit defeat me like that. I'm gonna be embarrassed for the rest of my life.
So, since you were such a good sport about this, I'm still gonna take you up on the offer, and I'll take you to a show of your choice. Although Boston Sean called Deceit the Dream Ride, so, but any other show of your choice.
Who needs a thumbnail?